Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s plus 8. Because we have s, so I will put a go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one we have number 1. And we have like this. This one we change by u. S we change by u minus 8. The s we change by the u. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosine A minus B equals to cosine A cosine B plus sine A sine B. So we change this one into this one, and we have cosine u cosine 8 plus sine u sine 8. Now cosine u divided by sine u we keep the same. Sine u divided by sine u we have number 1. Next, the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of sine u multiplied by cosine 8 plus the integration of sine A. This is about the constant, so you got about u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about s plus 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.